syukur nak Islam jong unongsan Hima.
Myntri ke sarkar jela ubadai pet ye katanat social welfare bat textile ubak pol Lyngdoh. Habaya keren bat kilat pathai kubor mentakasngi ke sipotrik ujemang ulaong badon kamban pet banyak ye ki breu ki bala sempang ha kam ye de athit ki jan ki nep badru ban ai ke jing pensai ki breu ki badan ki thain nong kendong namar don na pedeng jong ki bempat tip bha ye kam trekam jong katanat textile bat ye kani an la ban le dai tang leng ba ka jing ye trailang jong ki borsh nong bat ki nong mi khmat pat ba khnang bakin pet banyak ye ki snong ki ba klempat yo ya ki lat yarap ni kershan na ke sarkar. Shisho ba polling do la pentip ru ba un se Ïakynduh ye ke menteri ke badai pet ye ke state for textiles jong ke sarkar India ke darsana jardosh ha ka ban panjing kershan ru na ke menteri de ke ba ai dorkhas ban na ka liang ke ni ke menteri ru kala pen snow baka don jingmut ban kershan ye ke jela Meghalaya ban lingba ka ni kan la ban kinteu ye ke jela la benrap uba pol. Ha ka ba ye dei bat ka kam Jngohkai perthai nakaliang uba apol uloong kumbakalong menta ladon hado khat nyo tuliki project ba hapo ke Meghalaya Eco Tourism Infrastructures Development Project la pen kre ban penshna bad donru na pedeng kini ki bala sedang ban pentre ye ke kam baru ba apol uloong ru bala khot tender menta na ke benta ke Rural Hospitality Complex ha ke snong kongthong ke ban kon sha ka nyo point sa pusan klor tingka kat baki wei pat ki project ki bakin thup ye ke shlong peak ye kani an sedang ha ubnai naiwing menta usnem bat ki wei ki project ki baka sarkar lingma ka tanat Jngohkai kalamang ulo ongru ba ye kini ki project ba pher an sa khot tender no ha ki ar lai banai ki banwan
on social welfare. Tomorrow there will be a regional workshop here in Shillong. The workshop is being attended. It's called Chintan Shivir. So this particular workshop will be inaugurated tomorrow, and in my presence, and the Honorable Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment, Dr. Kumar, who will be accompanied by Minister of State, Mr. Ramdas Athawale, Mrs. Pratima Bhumit, and Mr. A. Narayan Swami will be attending the program, and along with them various officials from all over the Northeast. The program is being organized for 2 days, and the state of Meghalaya is hosting this particular workshop. So the inauguration is at 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. The Minister of State for Railways and Textiles, Srimati Darshana Jardosh Kiran Hange, Mantarasni, she had an interaction with Admiral weavers and artisans, and also distributed the Peshan ID card today, and I will be meeting her later in the evening, and this will be courtesy call on the minister, and also to highlight some of the issues concerning weavers, artisans, and other members who are linked to the textiles industry. Ki babuni kalong gana pangihapan identified ki drill di ba dan interviewing and ki artisan ki jami dan ki badan ki snong ki ba kendong ha ki nong aware ya ga jintai kam jong ga Department of Textile su te ban create shwa kataka awareness haki but inglaban reach out chaki but kenjo shaki kalong daga jintai lengkat ki snong but ki nomi kmat pai ba nang bakin identify Hino Hishnong, but Kiba Hinoki, Kiba dan like Naka Jing York, Jing support Jing Shan state government.
Visiting, the state of Meghalaya and is also meeting you. Are you seeking any support from the ministry?
Yes, I will be submitting a formal memorandum to her tonight, and she has already expressed keen interest to support Meghalaya. So certainly we will come up with we'll flag some of these issues before.
What are the kinds of support that you are seeking from the center?
Well, for instance, there are various programs, including a flagship program of the ministry, where some of these are totally funded by the ministry, and some of the programs will have the state share incorporated into it. So those will be points that I will take up with the union minister.
So the commission is without a chairperson as of today?
I'm yet to study the file. As you can see, it's under wraps, so I'll be able to study it and then comment. Also visited Thong village along with the local MDC, who is also the CEM of the KHADC. And under the program called Meghalaya Eco-Tourism Infrastructure Development Project. 17 projects are at various stages of preparation. Some of them are already under construction, some are under the stage of TPR preparation, and in the case of Kwangthong, tenders have been called for what is called as a rural hospitality complex. So in all we have for Kwangthong an amount of 7.45 crores has been earmarked, and various other projects across the state, including the Shillong Peak Roadway. This will take off sometime in November this year. Then we have the Integrated Hospitality and Convention Center at Tura, which is under construction. Development of hospitality complex and tourism infrastructure at Mauden Dep, Sora, Shibagre. These are under PPR preparation stage. The revamping of the convention center at the Orchid Lake Resort, Omyang, is under construction. Development of tourism infrastructure at Nongkhon River Island and tourism complex at Nong Mahil, these are under DPR preparation. So, as I mentioned, these are at various stages of progress, and we should be in a position to complete the process of calling of tenders within the next 2 to 3 months. So the total amount of 415.93 crores has been earmarked for these various projects.